What would you say if you knew that today was your last day on Earth? What advice would you leave behind, and how would you choose to be remembered? These are the profound questions that Randy Pausch confronts in his moving and unforgettable book, The Last Lecture, Really Achieving Your Childhood Dreams. Today on Books Over Mind, we're diving into a story that isn't just about achieving your dreams. It's about how to live every moment with purpose, passion, and a sense of wonder. Randy Pausch was a professor of computer science at Carnegie Mellon University, but he became a household name after delivering what is famously known as his last lecture. Diagnosed with terminal pancreatic cancer, Randy had only months to live, but rather than focusing on his impending death, he used his final lecture to celebrate life. This wasn't a talk about dying. It was about the art of living. The core of his message: it's not about the hand you're dealt. It's about how you play the cards. At the heart of the last lecture is a powerful message. Our childhood dreams are not just whims of our younger selves. They are the blueprints for a meaningful life. Randy's own life was a testament to this belief. From the seemingly impossible dream of floating in zero gravity to becoming an Imagineer at Disney, he didn't just talk about dreams, he lived them. Randy shares the story of how he painted math equations and rocket ships on his bedroom walls as a child. This wasn't just decoration. It was an early expression of his love for learning and his boundless curiosity, traits that would define his entire life. One of the most memorable stories Randy tells is about his childhood dream of experiencing the magic of Disney. It wasn't just about visiting the park. He wanted to create that magic. As an adult, he realized this dream by working on virtual reality projects at Disney Imagineering. But it didn't come easy. Randy faced rejection after rejection before he finally broke through. This leads us to one of the key concepts of the book. Brick walls are there for a reason. As Randy puts it, brick walls aren't there to keep us out. They are there to show us how badly we want something. They separate those who really want to achieve their dreams from those who simply talk about them. Another profound lesson from Randy's story is the importance of enabling the dreams of others. He didn't just pursue his own dreams. He dedicated much of his life to helping his students achieve theirs. He talks about how, as a professor, he derived immense joy from watching his students realize their potential. One touching example is his work with a student team on the project Building Virtual Worlds, where he challenged them to go beyond their perceived limits. Randy's emphasis on empowering others serves as a reminder that our greatest legacy might just be the impact we have on the lives of those around us. The book delves into time management, but in a way that's deeply personal. For Randy, time wasn't just a resource. It was his most precious gift. As his life ebbed away, he became intensely focused on how he spent each moment. His advice is both practical and profound. Focus on what truly matters, cut out distractions, and cherish time with loved ones. Randy's decision to devote his remaining time to creating lasting memories with his family adds an emotional depth to the book that makes his lessons resonate far beyond mere words. This isn't just advice. It's a lived experience that gives the book rare emotional depth. As you read The Last Lecture, it's impossible not to reflect on your own life. Are you living in alignment with your dreams? Are you spending your time on what truly matters? Randy's story challenges us to rethink our priorities, to take risks, and to never let go of the sense of wonder we had as children. He reminds us that it's not just about achieving our dreams. It's about who we become in the process. So, how can we apply the lessons from Randy's life to our own? Start by revisiting your childhood dreams. What did you want to be when you were younger? Have you pursued it, or has it fallen by the wayside? It's never too late to chase those dreams, no matter how impossible they may seem. And think about how you can enable others to achieve their dreams. Who can you mentor, support, or simply encourage? The impact you have on others might be the greatest achievement of all. In the end, The Last Lecture isn't just a book. It's a call to action. It challenges us to live fully, love deeply, and leave the world a little better than we found it. Randy Pausch may have left us, but his words continue to inspire countless others to live life with intention and joy. Thank you for joining us on this journey through The Last Lecture. If you found today's discussion inspiring, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who could use a little more motivation. And remember, keep books over mind.